Hey, hun, I have a surefire way to keep the dogs from digging in the garden.
Cool, what is that?
We take away their shovel.
Hi, and welcome to Suburban Life Permaculture. I'm Holly, and we're so glad you're here with us today. And today, as you can see, this trellis has seen better days. This was our first attempt to work on some stuff vertically, and it's just fallen apart. So what we're going to do is we're going to put up a more permanent structure that should last for quite a long time. Now the first job, and this is something that we did to prep, is we had a muscadine grapevine over here. So we went ahead and cut that back significantly, and some other plants that were growing really close here so that we can get rid of this. So that's what we're going to do next, is we're going to remove all of this old material so we can put up the new stuff.
Alright, so first thing we're going to do, taking it down, I'm just going to unscrew it all from the wood, the supports that we have here, and figure out another thing to do with it.
Yep, and we were very permaculture. We used some small trees as posts. That's very good to do, is go ahead and reuse things, but they have since deteriorated, so now they gotta go. One down, one to go. Alright, two down,
And
debris to go.
we got more of the grapevine growing again.
Oh yeah, we have it in several places. Right next to you on that other side, there's some, and then of course the main mama vine. Alright, we got a couple of T-posts in right now, and we brought over the horse fence. We repaired what originally was for the grapevine that went absolutely bonkers, but that's the trellis for the grapevine right there. The really pretty curlicue one. That's actually from an old bed. And then we're going to put one more T-post in before we attach everything. Abu, out of the garden.
All right.
Okay, anything I can do to help?
Yeah, hold this because I'm going to bang this down a little bit more.
All right, will do. Trying to stretch it.
There to get it tighter, but that's not gonna.
Nice. Abu in his one-track mind.
Well, he knows it's time to play ball, but he keeps thinking, oh, if I bring it over, he'll see and he'll remember.
Check it out. It's all complete. Now we just have to keep that grapevine from taking over everywhere. This is not meant to corral animals right now. It is a horse fence, but you know, we did not create it for that. You would need to stretch it. You'd need to have a little bit more secured. But it should suffice for what we want to do. We just want to keep the dogs out of the garden from messing around with our food in the backyard and grow some perennials on it. One other thing that we're going to try to do today with this repair vertical structures is repair these PVC pipes. So with these gardens, I had these loose pots right here, about the middle section, which is where we have a little hole here, and then we had it at a top section, which then it went right here. The couple of hurricanes that we've had have kind of bent them, so we're just going to straighten them up, and then that way these will be usable again. And this is the final one. We straightened up the rebar, and we've already have holes in there in the pots. So now you can see, here's the bottom pots, and we'll just put those once we get the rest of the bits back in, because you can see there's some holes there that I gotta put them back in, but then we can slide those pots back on. Once you get your good dirt in there, it will stand right like it's supposed to. And then that's just an example of how the top pot goes on. And then you have a 3-pot PVC pipe system, almost repaired. One more quick look at it all in a row there. Can't wait to give you guys an update on this. Check it out, all done. And just a quick reminder, why do you want to grow vertically? And there are going to be 2 reasons for this. One is your own needs and the needs of the plant. There are some plants that do better, like they get powdery mildew if they don't run out along the ground, that it's better for them to grow vertically. An example for you, maybe you've got a small space and you want to maximize what food you're growing there. And there are more other ones, but you can check out our other vertical videos for that. Do you grow using fences like this? Let us know in the comments below. And we don't care if you like, subscribe, or share. You do you. Carpe diem, y'all.